everyone, this is Ivan Santos and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Happy Thursday and belated Merry Christmas. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat po, everyone. So in today's video, I will show to you what I have received on the Christmas Eve gifts. Some are from my friends and some are from my families. So, let's get started. Okay, first things first. Glass container. Galing po ito kala Ate Seth. Thanks, Ate Seth. Yan. May glass. Tsaka may ano po ito. May container cover na yan. See, bagong-bago na po itong container. Tapos may bago pa nakadikit ng plastic na ito. Yan. Thanks, Ate Seth. Garcia. Second gift ay gift number 2. Socks. This one's gift from Tita. Tita Michi. Thanks po, Tita Michi. Salamat. Socks. Bagong socks. Yan. Okay. Gift number 3. Sonic toothbrush system. Electric toothbrush. Yan. As long as may nakita mo po yung color white nito, ibig sabihin power button on or off. Tsaka may 3 heads. 3 pieces of brush heads. 1, 2, 3. And then, may kasama po itong battery included. AAA batteries. Thanks, Mommy! Ay, opo, may nakalagay po ito. Helps to remove more plaque for cleaner teeth and healthier gums. Swissco. Ano pang sunod? Ayan. Bigay sa akin to ni Ate Selena. From Ate Selena. Galing po ito kay Ate Sel. Thanks, Ate Selena. Yan, this is called bracelet maker kit. Yan. So, as you can see po, may different colors. Orange, yellow, green, sky blue. It's a blue again. It's navy blue, pink, lilac or purple. Tsaka po yung at iba pang color, assorted colors. And may ano po siya, may beads. May happy smiley face. Tsaka may heart bead charms. And then may maraming po itong mga beads na alphabet. Gold, black to, at tsaka rainbow. And then may tongs pa o may... this is not tongs. So this one is tweezers. And then pink scissors. At tsaka po yung charm. At tsaka yung beads na naman. Tsaka yung may... Hindi ko alam kung tawag to eh. So guys, please comment here kung anong tawag nito. Yun. So yan. Thank you. Tsaka at isa pa. Syempre may elastic string. Thread 2. Thanks, Ate Sel. Again. Tama. And then, bigay sa akin to ng best friend ko. Si Nikki. My lovable best friends. And this one's from my best friend, Nikki. Tsaka, assorted comb. Yeah, I like this one. Comb. May talaga po itong yung magsusuklay ng suklay. Yan. Tsaka, Good Life. Wow. Para magkakano na ako, magkaka-workout na to gamit itong Good Life Fitness. It's called mini lateral bands. Yun. Makakita mo yung lalaki ng ano siya, naka-model pose na to. Yung parang nagsusquat lang, kunwari. Tsaka naka-rubber, naka-band pa yung sa ibang parts. Legs. Tsaka yung hita, yun. Yun. So, thanks, Nikki Ness. Tsaka suklay. Thanks. And then, gift number 3 or 7. I've got Taylor Swift the Eras Tour tote bag! Yeah. Guys, I'm so happy kasi meron na po akong Taylor Swift na tote bags na may ano po to, na may magnetic clip locks. Yan, pag nakabukas, ganyan, oh. Pag nakasarado, oh! See, it's locked. I like this one. I like this fashionable style. Yan, oh. Oh. Yan. Tsaka may ano siya, may different kinds of albums ni Taylor Swift. Yan, ngayon po to kay Ate Selena. Thanks, Ate Sel. Selena Bautista. Thanks. May isa pa. Bigay sa akin to ni Kuya Ivan J. ng Talks. Galing po to kay Kuya Ivan J. Ka-friendsmate namin sa produce na merchandiser sa Seafood City. Yan. Kasi guys, pwede po tong pang pang OOTD, ka-match ng mga ibang style na outfit with this, Talks. At syempre, para good looking style. Thank you po, Kuya Ivan J. Friends made from workers of Seafood City na merchandiser of produce. Thanks Kuya Ivan J. And then, next gift item OMG, I've got Taylor Swift the Eras Tour magazine.
Wow!
Oh,
Sana
Taylor Swift na Taylor Swift. Swifties na me, guys. Dami pong page. Mga po ito, yung mga 98 pages. At syempre po, may loob po itong may loob tong poster na wall. I like this. Gusto ko na itong yung magazine na yan. Kunwari nagbabasa ako at saka yun, basan-basa lang, read all the times. Is it so pretty? I like this one. This one's from my mom. Okay. So guys, bumili lang to ng mami ko pag galing siya sa airport. Sweeties. Thanks, Mom. I love you, Mom. Tita. Next gift item are I've got letter I choker pendant gold necklace. $19.89 Taylor's version new CD albums. Bigay sa akin po to ng ate ko. Thanks, ate. Ate Andrea Santos. Thanks, ate. Yan. 1980. So guys, alam mo, nagkakadoble na yung 1989 Taylor's version na to. May ganyan ako nung yung bumili lang po ako nung last month or last week. Yung yung 1989 Taylor's version na nung naka-covered album na si Taylor Swift. Yung siya, yung nakangiti siyang ganon, tapos background nila ay flying seagull sa likod, sa sky, tapos nakangiti siya doon. Yan, tapos pag binuksan ko, ay hindi pala red Taylor's version talaga. Ito lang mismo, 1989 Taylor's version talaga. Hindi pala red TV. Sorry. So anyways, thank you sis. My number 9. And next is sunod. I've got Taylor Swift The Eras Tour na t-shirt. Yan. Galing po ito kala Ate Joy Caballero. Thanks Ate Joy for giving this t-shirt of The Eras Tour. Taylor Swift. Sakto na to guys. So, size large. Hindi po ako size extra large tsaka double extra large. Large talaga ako size ko. Nako guys, nagkakadoble na yung May ganyan po ako ng nakabumili na po ako tong Taylor Swift na The Eras Tour na t-shirt. Nung last October or September. Yan. Or August. Yan. Nakabumili lang po ito ng tagal pa since September. Kaya, from now, ito na talaga mismo. Nagkakadoble na Pero anyways, thanks Ate Joy Caballero. Thanks. Swifties ang peg. Next gift are Tim Hortons gift card. Bigay po sa akin to ni Tito Kaloy. Thanks po, Tito Kaloy. Yan. Second gift are face mask and also nose strip. Tara. Yan, bigay sa akin po to ulit ni Ate Sam and Ate Kulin Villanueva. Thanks. Ka-friendsmate ko po sa Seafood City. Thanks Ate Sam and Ate Kulin. Ayan. Thanks. I like this. Yan. Last gift are Suha. Bigay sa akin po ito kay Kuya Ronald. From Kuya Ronald na pizza. Yan. Suha lang. Prutas po ito eh. Yan. Thanks, Kuya Ronald. Last but not the least, I've got Taylor Swift The Eras Tour stickers. Galing to kay Ate Sel ulit. I've got Fearless Era, debut era of The Eras Tour, 1989, Speak Now World Tour, Midnight's Era from The Eras Tour. At syempre, nahulog pa. Syempre, 22 music videos, Taylor Swift. Yan, 22. Look. Oh, the e-restore sticker. I like that. Different kinds of eras out. Thanks, Ate Sel. Sweet. So, that's it, guys. Tapos na ang review ng gift ko nung last Christmas Eve. So, I hope you like this video. Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon for more videos. Please like on my FB page, Ivan Santos, and the Ivan Alec Vlogs. Instagram, Ivan Derella, or Ivan_NanaQAMS10. So, hope to see you soon. Goodbye. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.